Total subscribers, new subscribers and viewers, welcome. Thank you guys for the support and the big up on yourself. So people no run, come quick and fast there. Call the planka them. The one them who like to go catch up at the enemy then yard and fling big stone. Yeah. And type up under the comment section and all that. And them ones them may call. Yeah. So people, there was a reel, me see a reel power enemy page. This lady what call herself sweet pineapple, and the pineapple them sour. Pineapple them sour from what me can see. So me see she put up one reel about Plankas Jam Rock says stop worshiping 99. She's not your God, stop it now. So that was a few days ago. Me see that when me a pass the pineapple field, me see it. I was thinking to myself, well, me not even take much notice really. But this morning me a pass one place and me hear one talking about John Rock. Good in, so me talk. Me know me see that really. Me go and go listen to it. Yeah. She did mention 99 name. Yeah, come again. She never mentioned 99 name. So me go listen to it. And me go make una listen to it and make una tell me what una think. But the people then want like for fling stone and everybody want lick every nice and everybody want a lick jump and a talk bad about the lady. Them try to attack them, but them not see say this is the enemy, the plan of the enemy setting up. Them are set up John Rock goodie cause cake season a come. Some of them have no discerning spirit, you know. All no want do a war. Yeah, una say una war, una love the lady, but una war, and una not think closely what go on. Yeah. Because this young woman, you know, need to give her a little bit high. The woman will put the slice and dice and slice up the thing. Yeah. She did go, she buy almost a 6 or 8 cake. I can't remember the exact figure. She buy all of the cake, them every flavor cake. $1.99 do down at the yaad. And then she said they no taste good. None of them no taste good, not one of them taste good. And then she go take it to TC platform. The lady with the pop-up cake shop who bad mind everybody for them cake business and businesses. She take it over there, so the lady put it up on her page last year. The woman spend how much $100 and they buy up a cake and it no taste good. So you know, see, this a woman, she a part of the ETA camp. She and TC a work together because this a woman too say she a caterer. And she probably be a cake to me, no know. Because them all a try to highlight them business. And then can't stand to see people who are successful. Yeah. Cake season a come, you don't understand. You don't understand the marketing strategy. Yeah, because something that go on about the cake, them a go about the place this area. So nobody now look pan TC at the moment, so she a use all kind of ways to get her message out there to tear down people. Well, and I make you listen to the prayer first and me come back to you. Soon come. Yeah, so unuh here. Me never hear the lady name mentioning it, and in order for unuh to jump to conclusion, you have to listen to the whole of the video. You can't just listen to one little splice out piece. This is what create problems on social media, little splice out piece. No say nothing. It no make it. And what I don't understand with some of the plankers, they were fighting. Fighting type of one. People comment section, fling big rock stone and all them things there. And then I realize that they're giving them a build up people platform, because everywhere them see somebody mention Dana name, then run go fight. So this young man get 19k views on this video because she put 99 in her caption. Yeah, 12 people share and 131 comments. Yeah, and people a bash Jamrock. And then I see say a plot. The people them a plot because from what I understand, I'm sure Jamrock sell the cake them too. So maybe TC want Jamrock fi sell for her cake, or she just want to stop cake go through that the route there. So she don't want to go down a Jamrock shop. And so me see it, and I saw me I go say it. I mean, I don't want nobody come over here come put her name in the comment section, because if you don't put her name, me I go block it. TC, if you don't want to comment TC, and that we I say I code this morning here. Yeah. So this is the thing that this person do. She can't stand to see businesswoman. Yeah, she can't stand to see successful businesswoman, businessman, or anybody who sell cake and things on social media. She bad mind them, and she try her best to do all kind of things to tear them down, and then she say everybody else a tear down for your business. Yeah, make we talk it how it go. So and that message she do, because true she hear say cake can go all over the place. Or somebody misses somewhere, some BSJ or something, me can't remember how it go, but something in that go around say she get some kind of license or certificate now, so the cake then can go all over the place. All in our airport it go there. So and that a hot up her head at the moment. She go on like say she quiet over there, but she a go on the other corner go through a stone. Yeah, we know the corners there. I know every corner where she go through a stone them. Yeah. So don't be fooled. Yeah, don't be fooled. Don't be deceived by the things that these people do. Because me also see Shanae this morning very upset. She did a live last night. Me see the day this morning where she very upset because somebody Photoshop up some things and then link it to somebody else at university that was on that pageant thing, and then make it look like say she do things. But who good at Photoshop around here, may I ask? We know who good at Photoshop, because she said it was done so well. If you never look upon it good, by look at the texts that the person put texts like WhatsApp texts in it, you don't really think they go so. But we know who good upon them thing there, and you know, me sorry, my finger have a pint over there, so say she is behind these things. She knows somebody, she set up somebody to do it. She gives somebody one little change to do it. And so me I go say, yeah, because them just too evil. Yeah, them too evil and calculated. Yeah. So, yeah, so that's what me see, also see. One day, one I will say she a small Ziggy over there. Me see her over there I talk about this student in Canada and I playing video over there. You know, tear down campaign attack anything we do with 99, the student them and all that. And then people you say them have kids, them have children, but them have to find some way of attacking people all the time. Yeah. Me hear she'll call out near roll call when people go over there. And see, I say people when the people that hide behind the screen, she can still see them. You can't see me though. Yeah, because I know you call my name, so you can't see me. Yeah. Yeah, me a dopey. You can't see me. So, yeah, you can't see me behind the screen. Me peep over every fence. You peep over every fence when me ready. Yeah. Yeah, so this is what these people do on social media, and it's not cool. Because you can clearly see them say no bad mind, but a bad mind, they don't like to see nobody business and do well. That's what me I go say. Yeah. They don't like to see no people business that do well. They don't like to see young people that do well. Me hear one of them I say that one of the plank of them, bam, only have 7 people I watch her. And look, me have 90 people. And this is it. She no understand. Say, at the plank of them I watch because she have Dana name in her caption. So people are going to go over there to watch, listen and hear what she say. And this is what's going on. The plank had them will go over there to go fight. Them a build up these people platforms. Because she a brag and a boast and I say, look, pan plank and I get no views. And me I get all the views. And she can't see. Say a people that hate her. People that want to hate her or watch her. Yeah. Yeah, she might be getting the views, but the people they hate you. Hate you. Yeah. So, yeah, me just say to see Miss Lothian and live her best life. She reach the motherland. Yeah, show a nice place them. Yeah. She in her first class. Yeah. Miss Lothian in her first class and she show herself in a class. Yeah. She show herself in a class, but some people are in a class and you can't see them in the class. Yeah. You can't see them in the class and then want to size up with other people. So them they're on the same class as them. Yeah. Unless we soon sit down in a class, we're going to say no in a no class. Yeah. Yeah. So this is it. Miss Lothian don't take no notice of them the people there. Yeah. She do her thing. She do her thing and she don't make them draw her out. Yeah. Me like how Miss Lothian roll. She don't make them people that draw her out because bad mind I kill some people when them see you sure you could success in a phone. People bad mind, people for them things on social media. So me see it, and then see one turn around and play a victim and say everybody is attacking them. Attacking them and their children, and them attack other people. Make it make sense. Yeah, make it make sense. But me I go say is that unuh must understand road code and know how certain people when certain seasons is going on and they want to sell their cake, them do certain things on social media. Then call it marketing strategy. Some of them are marketing strategy them use. But them using all kind of things because they want to stop sale upon other people business and the sale to come for them where. Me not even know if them have no business. Me don't know. Them probably bake 2 cake. People say they bake 2 cake now and again. Maybe them bake few cake, but I don't know how you'd have so much energy and so much time on your hands to do all these things if business was going well for you. That's what I'm saying. If business are go so well, make it make sense. If business going so well, you wouldn't have so much time, to be eating on other people and to doing all these nasty things behind the scene. And that me I go say, we know free to talk, but we not call no name over here today. Who know, who no. Yeah. So that's what I go say. So far, man don't talk and she's please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.